trying to make deletes on the table, you could delete a column, you could delete a row, or you could delete the entire table. So let's just follow. We have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 rows. So let's just delete one. You click layout, you say delete. Now delete rows. One is out. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. You can see we have 1 2 3 4 5 columns. Let's come up here, delete columns. One is out, and you have now 4. So if you want to delete the entire table, it's simple. You come up here. Okay, let's try delete cell. You delete cell. Now you see shift left. It's okay. You can see one is out here. But if you want to get rid of the table, it's simple. You just say delete table. All is gone. You have no table anymore. That's cool.